Hello viewers, in this video I'd like to discuss about the um, IPsec tunneling. So this is the configuration where I have two router and I made the second interface on the tunneling. I made this 172.16.2.4 and this one is I consider as a router 1 and the other one I made this 172.16.2.4. This one is for another interface, Ethernet interface. These two I am going to make a tunnel, and I would like to say that you see this configuration, other network are different, 192.168 1.0.24. This is a private network, and another private network is 10.2.4.24 is another network. So these two private networks are connected via this router, and I considered is 172.16.2.0.24 as a public network. Now I will make this IPsec tunnel between 172.16.2.4 and the 16.2.5. Now how, let's see. For this I've already set up the configuration. I will just show how to do it and where you can get this information from man page, because coding remembering is not a good idea. So always in every configuration file you will see into your etc file. So let's see the etc file. I know you must know that the ipsec.config file contain the information about the configuration. Here is my router 1 configuration. So you can see that my configuration, I made some setup config setup where I made this character on debug all, unique query is used, and string policy is no. This is one part, configuration setup, and next I made the connection where 122 and author by auth by means authentication by secret and left key of this. Remember this always, the current machine where you are sitting, that is your left IP, with the interface you are sitting and making tunnel, that is your left, and the left subnet of this is, I consider it as a this public network 192.168.1.0.24, and then this is my left for this machine and right will be my other tunnel. So this is something sudo more etc ipsec dot config. So the most important part and easy part here, I make the, see here is left, the same thing will be here in this part, it is right, and whatever in this part as left, this will be in that part right. So this is clear. Now the thing is, one more important thing, if you want to it is already configured, so but if you want to configure them, you need to make this command sudo gedit. I use gedit space etc ipsec sec. I think you can see my command. Yes, ipsec.conf. Yes, and then you will see this config file, and you can do whatever you like here. So here I checked the authentication by secret, and this, and I made this key exchange IKA. Now you have maybe you will think, what is this term means? So for that I will show you one thing. Go for sudo man ipsec.conf file, and you will see everything here, the description. So what is here? First of all, what is ipsec.conf? The optional ipsec.conf file specified most of the configuration and control information for the strong shown ipsec subsystem. This is done, and I want to check this con. What is this con means? So con means connection. So you can see here, a little bit down. Yes. So con is con section means a con section contains a connection specification definition defining a network connection to be made by IPsec. And here is a configuration. You can just put your this, and you can put your left router side 122. I made here for 221 because this one I consider as my second part, and left you can check left. In the left you will put your current machine's IP address. Left subnet is this network. It will be always the network which is in the left of this, and right is I already explained. So here you can have auto. I also make auto start. I will not tell what is that. Here it is mentioned. Just first you get the auto. By auto means this auto I use here auto. So auto I use secret. There are a lot of options. I use secret. So what it means, how the two security gateways should be authenticated each other accepted value are secret for the pre-shared secrets. So this is one thing, and there's a lot of information as a digital signature and so on so you can check it. And the other information is going to the last but not least. I want to check this auto and key exchange part. For here I make IKE. See here I make key exchange for IKE. What is key? IKE means this list of IKE segment for the security association, encryption and authentication algorithms to be used for this. And then I would like to check that what I am searching for. Config file, the config setup. These three options I'm going to check. I use a little bit down. So for this, let's see. So I make here for the config file character debug. I choose as for all, and unique variance and string policy is there no. So I check. There are also information about tunnel mode and transport mode, but in my configuration, basic configuration, I didn't use it. You can try for that. Here is auto written. Now hence come the auto part. Auto sometimes ignored, and I made some. Yes, see, this is character on debug, means this one, the configuration setup, and I made it all character on how much character on debugging output that will be there. And then the next will be next policy here. You can see that so this one unique IDs is equals to yes, and string policy also some other keywords in up. Yeah, so see